Hey guys, my name's and welcome back. This week I'm recreating the Kaleidoscope Effect from Dave's Streatham music video that just came out. Let's get started. Open up and import your videos and create a new comp. Go to the Effects and Preset panel and type Mirror to bring up the mirror effect. Then grab and drop it onto the video. In the Effects Control panel, change the reflection angle to minus 90 degrees. In the same panel, right-click and select Mirror. It'll then put another mirror effect. From here, select the Reflection Center paint box, not sure what it's called, but it's this object here, and move the pointer into the center to get the effect that you want. I'm moving mine as close to the center. And you're done! Really short today, guys. I'm working on a VFX project on the side. However, next week I'll be back at it. Thank you for everything, guys. As always, hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you next week.